Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using YouTube ads. YouTube ads. They're everywhere. From pre-roll interruptions to banner displays, they've become a ubiquitous part of the online video experience. But are they effective? That's a question many businesses grapple with as they consider allocating budget to this pervasive advertising platform. This exploration delves into the world of YouTube advertising, examining its various formats, targeting options, and ultimately, its potential to deliver a return on investment. We'll look at the different types of ads YouTube offers, breaking down the pros and cons of each. From the short, skippable in-stream ads to the longer, non-skippable varieties, we'll analyze which formats might be best suited for different marketing objectives. We'll also discuss the nuances of display ads and sponsored cards, considering their placement and visibility within the YouTube ecosystem. Targeting is crucial for any successful advertising campaign, and YouTube provides a wealth of options. We'll dissect the various targeting parameters available, including demographic targeting, keyword targeting, and topic targeting. Understanding these options allows advertisers to pinpoint their desired audience and maximize their ad spend. Furthermore, we'll examine the potential of retargeting campaigns on YouTube, a powerful strategy for re-engaging viewers who have previously interacted with your content or website. Beyond the mechanics of creating and targeting YouTube ads, we'll delve into the metrics that matter. Measuring the success of your campaigns is essential for optimization and achieving your marketing goals. We'll discuss key performance indicators, KPIs, such as click-through rates, view rates, and conversion rates. Understanding these metrics will help you assess the effectiveness of your ads and make data-driven decisions to improve performance. Finally, we'll explore some best practices for crafting compelling YouTube ads, offering tips on creating engaging visuals and persuasive messaging that resonates with your target audience.